Good evening students. Continuation of the nitro compounds. Today we are going to discuss about the methods of preparation of nitroalkanes or aliphatic nitro compounds. So this is the first preparation method, that is nitration of alkanes. See here what will happen here. First, heating alkane. We are going to take here alkane with nitric acid. Heating alkane with nitric acid in vapor phase at what temperature? 700 Kelvin. So first we are going to take alkane and with nitric acid. Here alkane, that is RH plus nitric acid HNO3. And what we get? Alkane plus water, nitroalkane, alkane plus water. This is the reaction, general reaction. Alkane plus HNO3, RNO2 plus H2O. However, this reaction does not give one single product in pure state. So these reactions are not give single product in pure state. If we use the high temperature, we are using here 700 K, the hydrocarbons are broken into a small fragments. See here, broken into a small fragments and obtain a mixture of different nitroalkanes. So this reaction does not give one single product in pure state. At high temperature at 700 K, hydrocarbons are broken into smaller fragments and obtain a mixture of different nitroalkanes. So we are going to see how will happen this. See here, this is the 1, 2, 3. 3 carbons you have, pro. All are single bonds, that is propane. And just I am going to treat with HNO3 at 700 K. This hydrocarbon is broken into a smaller fragments. So mixture of different nitroalkanes is formed. Here this is 1 nitropropane and second one is the just give the numbering 1, 2, 3. Second position you have substitution. So 2 nitropropane and this is the nitroethane and this one is the nitromethane. So this propane, these hydrocarbons are broken into a smaller fragments in 700 Kelvin. So this is propane. When I treated with the HNO3 at 700 K, these are the mixture of different nitroalkanes is obtained. One is the nitropropane, second one is the 2 nitropropane and nitroethane, third one is the nitromethane. This is the nitration of the alkanes. This is the first preparation. And next we are going to see the second preparation, that is action of nitrous acid on alpha halogen acid. So here we are going to take the alpha halogen acid using the nitrous acid. See here, this is the CH2Cl COOH. What is the name of this compound is chloroacetic acid. These chloroacetic acid is treated with the NaNO2. What will happen? The Na and Cl is removed here, then chlorine is substituted with the NO2. This is the reaction of this product is obtained, CH2COH NO2. If I heat this CO2 will just, I am removing this CO2. CH2H, here CH3 and NO2. This is the product obtained. On boiling, an aqueous solution of sodium nitrite with an alpha halogen carboxylic acid, nitroalkane is obtained. This is the second preparation. Thank you, students.